Hey everybody, I hope you're having an awesome day. I wish I could be there with you for our awesome project we're going to do today, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and the guest teacher will also give you instructions. But you are going to be taking small pieces of a picture and enlarging those small pieces to make a bigger piece. Then you will be putting all of your small pieces that have been enlarged into one giant picture to see what you create. Let me try explaining that one more time. I took a picture, I cut it up into little pieces. You are getting those little pieces. Each one of you will be getting your own. Here's an example of one of the little pieces. And what you will be doing is you will be enlarging that little piece into a bigger piece. Everybody will be doing a little piece of the picture, enlarging it into a bigger piece. Then we will put all of our bigger pieces together to make a mystery picture. Now, I hope it is a mystery, and I hope it's fun as you start to see it come together. One thing I really want to ask you to do is not to ruin it for kids that are coming after you. So don't tell them what the picture is. It's okay to kind of tease them a little bit that you know what it is and they don't, but don't tell them because it will be more exciting and more fun if they don't know. Don't ruin the surprise. Now I'm going to give you some instructions on how to actually make a copy of your piece, but in an enlarged version. So watch carefully, and you're going to be able to ask your teacher that's there if you need any help as you're working too. But good luck. You're going to do great. If you look carefully at your piece, you'll notice that there are 10 small squares going each direction. So it is a 10 by 10 square. When you get that piece, you want to turn it over and see the number and letter combination that you have on the back. So this one is A9. I want to make sure that I keep it going the correct direction and flip my paper over and write on the back, going that same direction, A9. Obviously, you're going to use your own letter and number combination that you get. After I've written my number and letter combination on the back, I'm ready to try to copy and enlarge my piece. So first thing I want to point out is that we have a line that is kind of rounded, makes two little bumps here. And even though it is just a line, when you enlarge a line, it makes it thicker. So I'm going to have to actually give my line thickness. I can see that my line starts in the top right corner, and it looks like it starts about midway through the piece, and then it goes over a little bit from there. So I have a thick line that goes to the top, down a little bit of that first square. So I'm going to have this section colored in. So I have the beginning of my piece here. Now I can see that the second square has a rounded part that goes almost into the left corner. So it's going to go around right here. So I'm going to curve this line, and then it goes, it looks like almost midway through that second square is the thickness to start my line there. Now I can see, so I have the first and the second square done. In the second over and one down, I can see almost like a little triangle piece that comes down. So I have second over, one down. I have this little triangle piece as the line continues. Then if I go 1, 2, 3 over and one down, I see that line continues into the bottom of that piece. Now if I go 1, 2, 3, down 1, I have that part done, and 1, 2, 3 down, I have another 2 little bumps. So I have one here that connects onto this one. I notice that it rounds about halfway into that third square. And then it looks like there's another like double rounded one here that goes to the side of that 3 across, 3 down. So it goes around right here and then up to the corner, it looks like. So I'm going to round this and make that line a little thicker. Then I go down to the next square. So I have 1, 2, 3 over, 1, 2, 3 down, done. And then I'm going to go 4th down. And it looks like that line now curves as it goes down. And it curves all the way over to this bottom right corner. So I'm going to curve this around. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 down. I have that one done, and I'm going to go 1 over. Looks like I have just a line above where the next square starts. Then if I look 1, 2, 3, 4 down, I can see that it goes up a little bit in that square. So maybe about right there. It is not going to be perfect, but if we do count carefully, I think we'll be able to make it close. I'm wondering as I look at this part right here, if maybe I need to connect this. I think I do. Maybe round that out. I wonder what this piece could be. I can't wait to put all the pieces together. Actually, I know what it is, but I'm excited for you guys to put all the pieces together and see what you make.